Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mohan and today we'll learn and solve questions 1 to 10 of exercise 7a, chapter 7. Chapter name is Factorization of class 8 of Oxford New Enjoying Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsminute.com for more information about the textbook solution of new learning composite mathematics textbook and NCERT and the Oxford New Engine Mathematics textbook. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve exercise 7a questions 1 to 4 of chapter factorization, and this is the first video of this book, Oxford New Engine Mathematics textbook. Let's solve some questions. Now we try these questions. Find the highest common factors of xq and x. Here two expressions are given, xq and x, and we have to find out the highest common factor, that is HCF of these expressions. First find out the factors of this expression, then we have to find out the common factor between this expression, and that is the common factor that between the two expression is the highest common factor of this expression. So first find out factors of xq. Here xq is formed when we multiply x 3 times, then xq is formed. So factors of xq are x, x and x. When we multiply x with x, then x square we get. Then when we multiply x square with x, then x cube. Then so factors of xq are x, x and x, and factors of x is only one x. So between these two expressions xq and x, only one x is the common factor. Here only one x, so this x only is the common factor between xq and x. So highest common factor between xq and x is only one x. That is, so highest common factor, that is HCF of xq and x, is x. Now find out the highest common factor of x square y and xy. Here common factors, we have to find out the common factors between x square y and xy. So factors of x square y is x multiplied with x, then x square is formed, then x square multiplied with y, x square y is formed. So factors of x square y is x, x and y, and factors of xy is x and y. So highest common factor between x square y and xy is, here only one x matches with this single x. Then here only one y match with this y. So x and y are the factors between x square y and xy. So highest common factor of x square y and xy is xy. Now find the highest common factor of 8x square y square and 4x square y. Here factors of 8x square y square is, factors of 8 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2. That is 3 times. When we multiply 2 3 times, then 8 is formed. And factors of x square is 8x multiplied with x, that is x and x, we get x square. Then factors of y square is y multiplied with y is y square, so factors of y square is y and y. So factors of 8x square y square is 2, 2, 2, x, x and y, y. And 4x square y is, factors of 4 is 2 and 2. 2 multiplied with 2 is 4, and x square is, factor of x square is x multiplied with x is x square, and factors of y is only single y. So factors of 4x square y square is 2, x and y. So highest common here between 8x square y square and 4x square y 4x square y, the common factors between these expression is here 4. So we have to only take this 4, 2 and 2, that is 4 only. 2 and 2 is 4, and x square, here also x square between these two expression, x square common factor x square, and here also x square x and x, and here 8x square y square 2 times y, that is 2 times multiplied y, 2 times y square is formed, and here 4x square y, only single y is there. So factors of common factor between y square and y is only y, single y, not y square. As here only in 4x square y only single y, only 1 times y is there. So the common factor between x square, between y square and y is only single y. So common factor between 8x square y square and 4x square y is 2 multiplied with 2 is 4, and x is x square, 4x square y. So highest common factor between 8x square y square and 4x square y is 2 multiplied with 4, and x multiplied with x is x square, and y 4x square y. So when we find out the highest common factor of two expression, first find out the factors of that expression, then find out the common factors between these two expressions, and then highest common factor is the multiplication of that common factors. Here multiplication of common factors are 2 multiplied with 2 is 4, then x multiplied with x is x square, and y single y. So 4x square y is the highest common factors of these two expression, 8x square y square and 4x square y. Now factorize 25x cube yz minus 65xy cube. Factors of 25x cube yz are 5 multiplied with 5 is 25. So 5 and 5 are the factors of 25. Then factors of x cube is x multiplied with x is x square multiplied with x is x cube. So factors of x cube are x and x. And factors of y is y, only single y, and factors of z is only single z. So factors of 25x cube yz are 5, x and x, and y and z. And factors of 65x y cube is x cube is 3, 13 multiplied with 5 is 65. So 5 and 13 are the factors of 65, and factors of x is single x, and factors of y cube is y multiplied with y is y square, and y square multiplied with y is y cube. So factors of y cube are y and y, 3 ones. So between these two expression 25x cube yz minus 65x y cube, common factor are 5, then here only single x, so single x is the common factor, and here only single y, so we have to take only single y from here. So 5 and x and y, 5xy is the common factor, 5xy multiplied with 5 x square. Here only this 5 is remaining, so we have to write 5. Then x and x is x square, so 5x square, and this z. So 5xy multiplied with 5x square z. This is the common. This is the factors of this expression 25x2yz. Then common factor is 5xy. 5xy multiplied with 13. 5 multiplied with 13 is 65. And x, here only single x, so, and here only one single y, so we have to multiply y square. Here 2 y's are there, so 13y square. We have to multiply 13y square is 5xy, you get 65x y cube. So 5xy multiplied with 5x square z minus 13, in this expression 65xy cube, 13y square multiplied with 5xy, we get 65x cube. So minus 13y square, this is the factorization of 25x cube yz minus 65xy cube. When we factorize, first find out the factors, then find out the common factor, then multiply the common factor with the remaining factors, we get the expression. Now factorize 8ab 4c square plus 44a square bq c. First find out the factors of 8ab 4c square. Factors of 8 are 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2, so 2 2 2 are the factors of 8. Factors of a is single a, and factors of b4 is b multiplied with b square, then b square multiplied with b is bq, then bq multiplied with b is b4. So factors of b4 are b and b, fourth b. Factors of b4 are fourth b, and factors of c square is c and c. C multiplied with c is c square. Now factors of 44a square bqc. Factors of 44a square bq is 44 is 4 multiplied with 11. 4 is 2 multiplied with 2. So 2 to 11 are the factors of 44, and factors of a square is a. A multiplied with a is a square, and factors of bq is b multiplied with b is b square multiplied with b is bq, and factors of c is c. So common factor between 8 and 44 are 2 and 2. 2 and 2 are 4. 4 is the common factor between 8 and 44, and common factor of a and a square is a, and common factor of b4 and bq is bq. bq is the common factor, and c square and c common factor is c. 4a bq c is the common factor between 8a b4 c square and 44a square bq c. Now 4a bq c multiplied with 2. 4 multiplied with 2 is 8. This first expression 8. Then a multiplied with single one is a. Then before bq multiplied with b is b4. Then c, this single c multiplied with c. c multiplied with c is c square. So 4a bqc multiplied with 2bc is the first expression 8a b4 c square. Now 4 multiplied with 11 is 44. The second expression 44, and a multiplied with a is a square. Then bq multiplied with 1 is bq, and c multiplied with 1 is c. So 4a bqc multiplied with 11a is 44a square bqc. So factorization of 8ab4 c square plus 44a square bqc are 4abcq abqc multiplied with 2bc plus 11a. Now find the highest common factor of the following terms: 12x square and 16y cube. Factors of 12x square are 2 multiplied with 2 is 4, 4 multiplied with 3 is 12. So factors of 12 are 2, 2 and 3, and factors of x square is x multiplied with x is x square. So x and x are the factors of x square, and factors of 16y cube are 16 is 2 multiplied with 2 is 4, 4 multiplied with 2 is 8, and 8 multiplied with 2 is 16. So factors of 16 are 2, 2, 2, 2. And factors of yq are y, y and y, dy. Now common factor between 12x square and 16yq are 4. 2 and 2 are the common factor here. 2 2s are here in 12. Between 12 and 16 is 2 and 2, that is 4. 4 is the common factor between 12 and 16, and between x square and y cube there is no common factor. Here only x square, 12x square factor is there, but here in 16y cube there is no x square, there is no x term, and in 12x square there is no y square term. So only 2 and 2 are the common factor between 12x square and 16y cube, and highest common factor is the multiplication of the common factors. So multiplication of common factors are 2 multiplied with 2, that is 4. So highest common factor of 12x square and 16y cube is 4. Now find the highest common factor of 15s square b square and minus 24ab. First find out the factors of 15s square b square. Factors of 15 are 3 and 5. 3 multiplied with 5 is 15. And factors of a square is a multiplied with a is a square. So factors of a square are a, and factors of b square are b and b. b multiplied with b is b square. And factors of minus 24ab. 24 factors of 24 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2, that is 8. 8 multiplied with 3 is 24. And factors of a is a. And factors of b is only single b. Now common factor between 15 and 24 is only single 3. Minus single 3. And common factor between a square and a is only single a. And common factor between b square and b is single b. So common factor between 15 a square b square and 24 ab are 3 a b. 3 a and b are the common factor between 15 a square b square and minus 24 ab. So highest common factor between 15 a square b square and minus 24 ab is multiplication of this common factor. So multiplication of common factor is 3 multiplied with a multiplied with b, that is 3ab. So highest common factor of 15 a square b square and minus 24 ab is 3ab. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.